Today, I'm going to show you how to use Knock AI chat routing logic. With chat routing, the AI agent can run discovery directly in chat while buyer intent is still high. You can decide who should talk to sales, who should be disqualified, who should book a meeting directly from chat, what should happen when a lead is not ready yet. The goal is simple. Connect hot leads fast while saving sales hours on low-fit discovery calls. Let's start. Open the Knock chat routing and select the default routing. Default routing is your main flow for inbound traffic. Leads may come from your website, webinars, ads, or partner channels. Not all of them want the same thing. Some want to buy. Some need support. Some ask about partnerships or careers. Knock AI detects intent first, then applies the right routing logic for that intent. Let's focus first on the buying routing. The first setting is your monitoring channel in Slack. This is where your team can see all conversations in real time. What buyers are asking, which leads are being routed to sales, where reps should jump in. It becomes your live view of inbound performance. Now let's start creating our segments. This is where you apply your ICP logic. Inside each segment, you choose the criteria Knock should use. Knock can use data such as company size, industry, role, location, page views, traffic source, intent signals, and CRM fields. If you need more information that Knock does not provide through its enrichment fields, you can create custom qualification fields. For example, at Knock AI, we currently focuses on B2B companies. So we created a custom field called business model. The AI can ask the lead whether they sell to businesses, consumers, or both. If Knock already knows the answer from enrichment, the agent will not ask again. If the information is still missing, the agent will ask naturally during the chat. So once we create the segment based on business model, the next step is deciding how leads in that segment should be handled. You have three options. Connect to a specific rep, send qualified leads directly to the right person, or round robin. Discovery agent, notify a team channel and let the first rep who replies own the conversation. Great for speed to lead. Disqualify. Do not notify sales when the lead is not a fit. In this example, we'll choose disqualify. But disqualified does not mean ignored. You can still choose what action the AI should take next. Just open the actions section and create a custom action for that segment. In this case, I want the agent to suggest that these leads follow our newsletter. So I add the action name, a short description, and the link. Now, whenever this type of lead reaches chat, the agent can naturally recommend the newsletter during the conversation. For qualified leads, the agent can also book meetings directly inside chat. No forms, no friction. The lead can book, reschedule, ask questions, and stay engaged in the same conversation thread. This helps reduce ghosting and improves conversion. Once you finish setting everything up, you can easily test the full flow. Just keep in mind that dashboard testing does not include Knock's real-time identification and enrichment, which happens when actual leads message you through live channels. But it still lets you validate the AI responses, qualification flow, and routing decisions before going live. You can also set custom logic. This is for specific campaigns where you already know the audience. Examples: private dinners or a link in your product. Instead of running full qualification, you can connect these leads directly to the right rep or next step. This setup takes less than an hour, and once it's live, it can save your team a lot of time while helping the right leads reach the right next step faster. Let's knock.